fantastic, guys. Put your hands together for Kingdom City.
How you doing out there, Perth? Don't we live in the best city in the world? Come on, if you know these songs, why don't you sing with us? We're Kingdom City Church. So come on, let's sing some carols. We're gonna start with an old favorite. So let's go. That's it, sing nicely.
Alrighty guys, that's fantastic. The time has finally come for the fireworks spectacular. Make some noise! Now we're going to need a bit of energy from the crowd to get these fireworks up in the air tonight. So I need lots of energy from you. We're going to do one big countdown with the help of the Kingdom City Legends tonight. We're going to start from 10. We're going to take it all the way down to 1 and blow the fireworks into the sky.
show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that let
Grabe na spend money.
goodness, what a fantastic way to end the evening. Everybody for joining us tonight, thank you so much. We still have another hour's worth of training, so those who haven't got any of the rides, you haven't got any food or drink, make sure you head on over. We're going to be operating for another hour. The entertainment for tonight has finished, but guys, we still have 2 nights left. If you enjoyed yourself tonight, you enjoyed the fireworks, the event's free. Grab yourself a couple of tickets tomorrow night, the night after, bring your friends and family. We'd love to have you back. Tickets are limited, so please do. If you go home, grab the tickets, come back the next couple of days.
Wow, it's nice, oh.
Bawat.
You, look, where's your fireworks in your head there?